Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Nana, you know the vibe, we see you looking. You should smell the aroma in the kitchen when she cooking. She the real deal when she make a home cooked meal. She's Nana the Saucy Chef, she got skills.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making creamy beef and Bowtie pasta. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 1 cup of beef broth, 1 cup of heavy cream, 1 pound of ground beef, 2 cups of uncooked Bowtie pasta, 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese, 1/2 cup of shredded parmesan cheese, 1 small onion diced, 2 large garlic cloves minced, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 2 teaspoons of adobo all-purpose seasoning, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of onion powder. I also have chopped fresh parsley for garnish at the end, and that's optional. 1/2 teaspoon of ground pepper and 1 teaspoon of paprika. Okay guys, you want to get a pot of boiling water. You want to add a little bit of salt to it, and we're going to add in our Bowtie pasta. We're going to let that cook according to the box 9 to 11 minutes. While your pasta is cooking, you want to get a saucepan, and we're going to add in our olive oil, and we're going to let that come to temperature. Next we're going to add in our onion, and we're going to let that saute for 2 minutes. For 2 minutes we're going to add in our minced garlic. Let that saute 1 minute. I have my heat on medium. We can add in our ground beef. I'm just going to break that down and make sure everything is well combined. Now we're going to add in our garlic powder, our onion powder, our adobo all-purpose seasoning or the seasoning of your choice, and our ground black pepper. We're just going to combine all the meat until everything is nicely combined in it. We're going to mix it real good, and we're going to continue to cook it until all our ground beef is brown. Once your pasta is done cooking, you want to drain it of all water and set it to the side. Once your ground beef is done, you want to remove it from your pan, drain it of all excess grease. Once you've drained all the grease, return it back to your pan, and we're going to add in our beef broth. And you want to bring that up to a light simmer. Comes to a simmer, you want to add in your heavy cream. We're going to add in our parmesan cheese, our cheddar cheese, and also our paprika. I'm going to mix everything until it's well combined, until all your cheese has melted and it begins to thicken. The cheese has melted. You can go ahead and add your Bowtie pasta. And all we're going to do now is mix it until everything is well combined. Guys, you can go in now and give it a taste. And if you need to adjust any seasonings, you can do it now. Okay guys, so here we have it. Our creamy beef and bow tie pasta. Just going to add a little bit of our fresh parsley for garnish. Remember, that's optional. Just to give it a little color. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?